Welcome back everyone to another video on Mihai's Tech Tip channel. Today we're gonna be unboxing the Armorite Ultimate Screen Protection for iPhone 13 Pro Max. As you can see, I just got the box. You can see that it's still sealed. That's practically it. On the top side you cannot find anything, and on the back side you can find some instructions about the manufacturer and some codes in here. This one's supposed to come with 2 screen protectors inside. So without no further ado, let's see what we can find inside. I guess I have to cut these 2 first. Okay, this one as well, and I think then you can just pull from this. Wow, the quality of the packing is actually really great. So what can we find inside? I think these are the screen protectors. Yeah, a bit dusty, but that's not an issue. Okay, so inside the pack, anything else? No. So you're gonna find some cleaning wipes, I think. Yeah, wet wipes. This is the drying wipe. Okay, you can find some stickers. Okay, I'm not gonna use those. An installation guide. You can find it in different languages, in Spanish, English, and so on, with all the steps. Practically you need to clean the screen first. After you clean the screen, you use the stickers in order to remove any dust that you might find. Then you put the screen frame, which is this one. This one will help you to put it with perfection, so it's not gonna go off limits. And in here we have the 2 screens. Wow, look at this packaging. I mean, rarely you can see, like, this is to protect the screen from shipping. This is like it's like a nice foam, something like that. Yeah, it's like a foam that they put on the back to protect the screens. And in here we have the 2 screens. This one's supposed to be like very good quality when it comes to protection from scratches, and that's one of the reasons why I got this brand, because people say that it's a good quality. I got the one without the notch for the headphone on the top, right, with the speaker, sorry, on the top. And let's look at the second one. They appear to be in good quality, and I mean, they are protecting them even with this material, which is actually really nice. And one of the things that you probably, I don't know if you guys can see, let me see, like that. So those are how the edges actually are. Let me try to focus. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see. They appear to be they're not square, they're going down. Okay, all right, that's all about this screen. I'm gonna install one on my new iPhone 13 Pro Max and see how it works. I will also make another video in like 6 months to see if it actually protects the screen from scratches or not, or if it's just commercial. Right, thank you very much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, to put a thumbs up if you like the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao ciao.